Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page scrollable screenshot in XIAOMI 12S Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open our settings and first enable a few different options for screenshots. So go all the way down and find additional settings. Right here select gestures and motions, gesture shortcuts, and here we have take a screenshot. Enable both of the options. Next is back tap, and right here we can also add take a screenshot. Now go back to any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case we're gonna go for settings, and there's 3 different combinations that we can make a screenshot with. So first one is volume down key and power key. Now select scroll, and it should begin scrolling down entire page. You can wait till it reaches the bottom or click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot. And here we have it, full page screenshot. Next option is slide down 3 fingers, and it also has a scroll option like that. But we were at the bottom, so there wasn't a possibility of scrolling. And now let's go back to the top. And last feature for scrollable screenshot is back tap. And we need to double tap the back of our phone with a finger like that. And it will make a screenshot. Now we can go for a scroll. And again, it will scroll down the entire page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.